In 2012, a group of employees, including my father, came together to start a succession plan as Wellmaster's future as a family-owned company.
It's very much like a family. All of us have been here for so long. There are lots of guys here who've got 40 plus years.
We want to make sure we make a difference for our employees. Through profit sharing and other means, can feel like we have a chance to share in the successes being created. So Wellmaster's had the benefit of reinvestment, so we've got a lot of new equipment, we've got some new training programs going on, we've been able to upgrade a lot of our infrastructure and process, and we're starting to reach out and build partnerships in a lot of different areas and are building really exciting new products. And that's really put us at a great foundation for the future.
We listened very closely to all the ideas that everybody had to make the company sustainable, and we used those ideas going forward.
I think when people see Wellmaster for the first time, they see all of our different divisions and they wonder what's the connection in water, energy, and horticulture, and it makes sense. Our backbone and the commonality is innovation. Get a chance to take raw materials and to make them into things that convey clean water, that produce and distribute energy, that are necessary inputs to horticultural production right across Canada, right across North America. Wellmaster is all about relationship sales. We want to be that reliable supplier, not just for this transaction, but for many in the future. We have this insatiable curiosity to figure out how can we work with our customers or suppliers to make things better. So finding out what is their obstruction, and is there a way that we can make a new product that can address that. And every time we work with one customer, we learn something else that we can use to help other customers. And it's a constant revolving of innovation and iteration that allows us to come up with some creative solutions that sometimes folks never saw coming.
Our service, the quality of our products is really second to none. Your needs, your wants, your wishes are translated right to the shop floor. Most of what you see around has been driven by the customers.
Our job is to make sure that every product that leaves our plant is of top quality, and the same thing applies in terms of service, and the same thing applies for everything that we do.
We stand by every product that we make. The other thing is, because it's made here, we can change things. If they want to work with us to change up processes or make a change to how a product works, they can work directly with the manufacturer here in Canada, and we can give them back a prototype and say, well, try this. See if this works better.
Well, how we really make a difference is our service to our customers, and make sure they get what they want, when they want it, and on time.
When you have a good team, and your team is listening to your customers and your clients, innovation really just comes of itself.
For our customers, it's about making a difference. It's not just about giving them the product. Sure, you want to give them their product on time and on budget, but you want to ask the questions. How did it work? Can we make it better? For our supply chains, we have a personal relationship with our suppliers. They know that the quality that they got 2 decades ago from Wellmaster, they're going to get today, and they're going to get 2 decades in the future. It's really important that we try to make a difference for our local community and our global community. Is there ways that we can, in each division, contribute to that?
Make a difference for both yourselves, your families, your workers, the customers, the suppliers, so that everyone feels part of the company.
And that's what motivates our guys, our team every day to come, is because they know what they do matters for so many people, for so many different sectors.